Good morning, children. This is History Standard 7th. In our last video, we were discussing about the question answer of lesson 3. Isn't? So, we have already completed the bit questions A, B, C and D. Today we are going to discuss about the long answers. Okay? So, you open your book, page 20, number E. Number E, question number 1 is mention the important raids conducted by Mahmud of Ghazni. So, the answer is you just open your book, page number 17. Here, this is the answer. Okay? On the first only it is given number 1 answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points are given here. You have to learn this and write in your own ways. Okay? At first you have to write about Mahmud of Ghazni. Who was he and how he invaded India. He came to invade India. Then you have to write all these points. Main raids of Mahmud of Ghazni. Then number 2 question. Analyze the results of Mahmud of Ghazni's raids on India. So, you have to see the same page 17, second part, that is results of Mahmud's raids. Results of Mahmud's raids. Here 4 points are given. Here also you have to write about Mahmud of Ghazni and his raids. Who was he and when and how he invaded India. Then you have to write the results of Mahmud's raids. Okay? Then number 3 question is what were the motives of Muhammad Ghori behind Indian invasions? How was it different from Mahmud of Ghazni? So, you have to see here about Muhammad Ghori. The question is, see, what were the motives of Muhammad Ghori behind Indian invasions? So, you have to write about Muhammad Ghori first. Just I'll give you hints here. In this part, it is not given clearly. You just read this part and choose the exact answer from here and add in your answer. See, Muhammad Ghori was the ruler of Ghur. Ghur was a small kingdom in Afghanistan. He got the kingdom as he was the offspring of his forefathers. So, then Ghori conquered Ghazni and made it a part of his kingdom. Then he invaded India. He was interested in setting up his empire in India besides looting its wealth. He was not concerned with spreading Islam. But the next question, next part is how was it different from Mahmud of Ghazni? But Mahmud's motive was to invade India totally different. He wanted to make his kingdom Ghazni a powerful kingdom. To make his kingdom more powerful, he was in need of wealth. So, he invaded India to loot its immense wealth. and decorate his own capital at Ghazni and made his army strong. Also, he wanted to spread Islam. So, these are the difference between Muhammad Ghori's invasion and Mahmud of Ghazni's invasion to India. Okay, then what was the significance of the second battle of Tarain? The fourth number question is, what was the significance of the second battle of Tarain? You see page 18. Page 18, here it is given. You have to read this part and find out the answer. See, the second battle of Tarain, that was in 1192 CE, is considered as one of the turning points in the history of India. Then you have to write from these pages. Full you have to write, but you have to write in your own ways, in your own words. Okay, don't copy down from the book. Read this part of this answer and write in your own way. Okay, then your question number F, that is learning is fun. F is learning is fun. Here, fill in the crossword puzzle with terms related to the history of Delhi Sultanate with the help of the given hints. The given hints means here it is given across and down. You have to find out the answer, and answers are given back side of your book. You can refer that. Okay, so you just fill it here and write in your notebook. As question answer, you have to write in your notebook. Number from all the exercise, fill in the blanks, match the following, true, false, answer the following questions briefly, answer the following questions in detail, then learning is fun. All these you have to write in your notebook. Okay, all the best. Stay safe. Thank you very much.